Hello, today's video is about timeline. Uh, Here you can see the timeline. Sometimes when you open the document, you will not see it, and then you have to go to the View tab, and in this checkbox, you just add the timeline. So in general, I use timeline only in one case, when I have too complicated project or the project with too many tasks, and then I highlight myself and pulled all the tasks which related to me to focus on my tasks only. In this case, you just can hold the control. If you want to add something to timeline, you just hold control, select task you need, right mouse button, add to timeline. So now you see all these tasks starting from milestone, which is task number 1, then task 2, task 3, task 7, with a period of time when I need to work on these tasks, and also can modify the coloring of these tasks. For example, let's say task number 7 is critical, it has deadline, I need to focus on it, so I adjust it for myself. I know in some cases people use timeline just to copy it to the PowerPoint, let's say to present the progress in the project. I never did so. So for me, this is the only reason I use timeline. Thanks for your attention. Have a nice evening, day, or morning. Bye.